Another beautiful day. Day 3. Alright, so I just got back from Home Hardware, got more strapping and whatnot. I'm gonna work on the truck. So the plan of attack today is finish framing it and then support everything. I got a silicone too. So I'm gonna get going on that. I'll see you there. It looks like a homeless person's been living in this truck. As you can tell, I didn't clean it out. I just got kind of carried away with framing. It's really annoying having this much crap in here. I'm gonna eventually get it out and make it nice and easy to work in here. This isn't anything. This is just a support beam to hold up this. Not that, like, it is held up, but I put this in here anyway, so when I'm driving around, it doesn't shake around too much. Doesn't really need it. I'm gonna knock it down today. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to silicone all around the windows, wherever I think it needs it, and yeah, I'll get to doing that. I just want to do it right now while the weather's still really warm out. I think these windows are fine. If I do need to silicone them, I'll just get some black silicone and I'll do the outsides. They look all right. I was more concerned about these windows just because there's some green here. It looks like it's like staining. It looks like it was leaking at one point, and same with that window. So I just wanted to get those ones. And now I'm gonna continue framing. There's a mess. I've decided to clean it just so I have a nice clean workspace and I can just get everything done and I don't have to be tripping over stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna frame. It is hot out again today. This is December. It snowed the other day. What the hell? All right, it's not perfect, but it's better. So that's good. I was trying to angle cut the windows so they look a lot nicer, but I failed miserably at that. And I made the one piece I was using into scrap pieces. So I'm just gonna square off the windows and I'm gonna try to make it look nice from there. Measure once, cut 3 or 4 times, screw all the scrap pieces together, try to make it work. That's the famous saying, right? That's what I'm going with. That's what I'm going with. Fuck. Look. A crappy window. Somehow I cut that an inch too short. Okay, so I gotta cut another one. And I'll use those scrap pieces for something else in here. Not sure what yet. I'll figure it out though. Measure once, cut 3 or 4 times, right? Middle of December in a t-shirt. How weird. Alright, so pretty much done framing. I'm gonna add more supports and whatnot, but I got some little things that I want to do first. Like, I squared off these windows, so I'm gonna put black like trash bag in here or something, vapor barrier, just to black it out on the sides. Probably end up putting like another beam across here and down here just to have like a nice little windowsill kind of like this. Yeah, I went with these supports because I was thinking about building a little cubby, but I don't know, kind of lose a lot of headroom doing that. So these supports, they work fine. Like there's a little give, but it's all uniform. It's all one big piece. So got to do that, and then see where else I can put some more boards for anchor points so the carpet can staple on. But yeah, looks a little janky, but overall I think it turned out all right. Alright, pretty much done for today. I got it all framed up and supported. I'm taping around the windows because I'm going to put some sealant in there. Some of this leak stop stuff sprays on black. And it should look a bit nicer on the outside here. Kind of fill in those spots. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And then maybe I'll cut up a few more supports, a few more anchor points, but aside from that, I think we're done for the day. Now I just gotta wait for my girlfriend to come by, and we're gonna attack the insulation and the vapor barrier, and then we'll go from there, seal up any small little gaps or cracks. Hopefully we can get moving on cleaning out the bed and designing the actual interior, the layout, the bed, all that sort of stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff. Peace.